Today is 20th April 2020, and from today London bus is free to travel from anywhere where the Western is acceptable. But there is some restriction how to use it and when do you use it and why should you use it. So today I will explain you all this question, but London bus is free to travel. You don't need to pay any money until further notice. So I'm going to now explain you how to use the bus, when should you use the bus, and what are the other restrictions about the using London bus from today.
Right now I'm in a bus stop actually, and usually previously we do the things, we wait for the bus, we get on the bus in the front of the door and we touch our Western, and then the Western charge £1.50 for a single journey and we travel in the London bus. But right now I'm waiting in the bus to buy some food for me. Actually I'm going to another stop and I don't need to get on the bus in the front door, I need to get on the bus in the middle door, and I don't need to touch my Western today. There is no bus, and after 2 minutes I have a bus, so I'll show you how to get on the bus and no need to touch the step. You can see one bus is coming, and in London bus you have to stop. It's signal to stop the bus. So I'll give the signal to the bus. And previously we need to get on the bus in the front door, but here we need to get on the bus in the middle. Bus journey will remain free until further notice, but this bus journey is only allowed for key workers or NHS staff, or if you need something essential for your life. So don't abuse this opportunity. Use London bus for your necessity, or use if you are a key worker. And when you get done from this bus, you should use the middle door again, and when you get down, you get the priority to get on the bus. And those persons that want to get in the bus, they need to wait and you use the middle door, and they also use the middle door, but they need to wait till you get on from this bus. So I'll show you when I get on from this bus, and you can understand the process. Stay safe. Stay safe. Use the bus when it's essential. Otherwise, don't use the bus right now. See you in the next week in another video.